Piny Kenya Odiochieng makawuono oriwore kod piny ngima e yango odiochieng ero mar joma odak kod ng'ol, kuma bende higani eri thuon wacha ne en ng'eyo ratiro mar jogo eko ma odak kod ng'ol e kindgi. Lolwe Tv noyuore nyasi ma bende nobagie kar dak makangemi buore Nairobi kod duol mar Greenwood Ventures, kama bende giwacho ni ok gidwar mondo migi rech, to gidwaro mondo puonjgi kaka imako rech. Elizabeth Otieno ni kod mathoth ewi wachni eri.
Kawuono wariwore kod piny mangima mar yango odiochieng jogo eko mantiere kod ng'ol ma opogore ma ong'ere kaka UN Day for People Living with Disabilities.
Siku ya leo ni kwa sababu ya mwaliko huyu wa watu wenye ulemavu. Tunashukuru kwa sababu ya siku ya leo, ni kwa sababu tumeweza kukumbukwa. Sisi kama ambayo wako na huyu ulemavu, wa saa zingine tunaona kwamba kama tumewachiliwa, lakini wakati kama huu ambaye kuko na sherehe Kenya mzima ya kwamba kuna watu wanakumbukwa, hata sisi tunajifunia sana. Na sisi kama wanaume saa zingine tunaona kwamba sisi ndio tegemeo katika nyumba zetu, kwa sababu mama na watoto wanatutegemea. Kwa hivyo naomba kwamba kila mzee ambaye ako na ulemavu kama huu ambaye tunasikia siku ya leo, ni vizuri kujiunga, ni vizuri kuulizia ni wapi anaweza ungana na watu wengine ili waweze kupata mashauri na ili aweze kupata mambo ambaye inaweza kumjimudu kimaisha.
Nishiriki na wenzangu, wajue tuko pamoja. Wajue sisi wote tuko kitu kimoja mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Na kile tuko nacho kidogo, tushirikiane nao, tushare nao, tukule nao, tucheke nao na tufanye kila kitu pamoja. Na tukishikana mikono hivi, bega kwa bega, tutaenda mbele. Na ni hayo machache.
Fele timbo mabende ene jakom mar Greenwood Ventures ne owacho ni mai higa kende ma jogo ma odak kod ng'ol biro chiko e lwetgi ni imiyogi kony.
The UN Day for People with Disability, and in this forum we are planning to strategize how we want to go forward. People with disability, we want to look for fish. We don't want to be given fish. So after this celebration, we are going to start self-reliance projects whereby we will be able to generate money. We will be able to contact companies that can support us. So I'm very, very grateful for this day.
Mikai Catherine Oumane wiyoko wil kod wuoyo kod jogo eko matiyo marach kod jogo eko modak kod ng'ol yore mag manyo pesa e ding apaya.
Again, over and over again, people being condemned for using persons with disability, particularly those ones who walk or take them to strategic places, and then they are out there seeking handouts, and at the end of the day they pick them and they keep maybe the collection. But let me speak on a bigger issue of caregivers. Behind persons with disability, we have people who are tasked with the responsibility of giving care to persons with disability. That is the caregivers. But you discover that caregivers are people who are restricted in terms of what it is else that they can do in terms of economic engagement, because they are 24/7 on caregiving. And as we talk of poverty of persons with disability, to a certain extent, we are talking of the same for the caregivers, because they too have no way of earning a living. If, for example, a mother with a child with disability, she cannot go about her engagements like any other person, because here is a child who requires constant care, constant nurturing, constant presence. So as much as this woman is perhaps very able to go out there and fend for herself, remember she is constrained by this person she is providing care for. So in a sense, as much as
Kik umiwa rech wadoro mondo upuonjwa kaka wanyalo mako rech ni kendwa. Mano endo e gigo eko ma jogo mantiere kod ng'ol ma opogore owacho ka gintiere e nyasi manobagi e kar dak makangemi. Ne Lolwe TV, an Elizabeth Otieno.